In this video we are going to be analysing Blue Apron ticker APRN. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels? And we can see we are currently coming into our first technical support, which is at $2.80. So this level will be kind of key because if we can hold it, then you can expect a push to the upside. And as just for a quick notice, that would be our closest target of around $3.90. However, if we break this, we would expect a continuation to the downside. And when we say break, we don't just mean fall through. We want to see a break below it, come back to retest the 780. And then if we see selling pressure still kick in, then this gives us our confirmation that we will continue down. Obviously, you can play the original break, but there's always just less, well, it's a lower probability trade if you're not waiting for that extra confirmation. Yes, sometimes you do miss trades doing that, but considering they work out a lot more than they don't, it's usually a better guidance to go off that. So yes, if we break the 280, then we're looking at 245 as that key support. And you can see this would take us very close to that 52-week low. So obviously do note that as another support. So really within that $2 range, we do have quite a lot of support levels. So if we do break out of here, our next level is quite far off, being at basically $1. So this does tell us if we break that 52-week low, we break below it, come back to retest it, and selling pressure kicks in, then really this stock could kind of free fall down to around $1 is at least what we would expect. And if we broke that, we would have a final level at 50 cents. Obviously, some of these are very far off, and you don't need to pay attention to all of them. All you ever need to pay attention to is the current level you're at and then the target it will go to. So right now, obviously, we're at 280. Our only focus is, can we break below it, come back to retest it? If so, then expect to push to 280. However, if we can't break below this level and instead we hold it, then we want to see buying pressure come in and we could see a move to around 390. Now, if we do continue past that 390, next resistances would be at 510, 540, $7, 730, and final levels taking us to around 850, 950, $10 and $12 as those final levels. And again, yes, some of these are very far off, but again, you don't need to pay attention to all of them. If you're paying attention to the upside only, if we can hold 280, then expect to push in time to 390. And again, if we break that, you want to see a break above it, come back to test it as support. And if we hold, then you can expect another quite big a far move to around 510. Anyway, that is the breakdown on APRN. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.